How to do an oil change on an Audi A6 Quattro 2006 V8. I just went under my car, finally found the fucking bolt. Let it take this bitch off, get that oil change done.
You got a motherfucker doing his first oil change. Alright. Right here. Right here, right here. B12. My nigga. B12. Supercharged right here. Actually.
Sure.
Nah, fuck that. You know what? Double charge, my nigga.
Sure.
Oh fuck, dropped a little bit of oil. Fuck it.
Oh, that bitch. You got that.
Go for it. Let it rip. That's a small ass funnel.
Oh, God, bro. You want a bigger one?
You have one?
Yeah.
Fucking. I don't know. This one's.
Nigga, Ash.
You got that.
You got that. You got that. You got that then. Tell you. Tell you.
That's all you want, boy. Not that bitch in.
We got lock in, Josh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, nigga,
Fuck, I don't know why.
Get that to the funnel. Get that to the funnel.
You need another one?
Yeah, I do. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's just leaking through. Hold on. Fuck.
You didn't put the fucking plug on.
Fuck. Hold on. I gotta put the... Fuck.
This nigga forgot the plug.
Hold on. Jay, fuck. Where's the...
Plug.
I knew something was wrong.
Hey, at least you just run
Dude,
it.
hold on, record, bro. Not record. Fuck. I'm fucking recording that. Oh, I found it. Oh, yeah. Dude, I need that. Flash me from under, bro. Fuck, I'm about to get soaked. Hey, flash me from under, dude. Fuck. Hey. Oh my god. Please. 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 Let's go. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Hold on. Where's that other tool? We gotta tighten it one time. Right here, hold on. Flash me again.
You got it?
Yeah.
Tomass,
Jay, let me borrow something so I can hit it.
Right there. That bitch, right there.
You got it?
You don't want to fucking hit it too tight, then you're gonna scrape it and then you're fucked.
I think this might be good.
Alright.
I can't tell if it's still loose or not.
Nigga, are you serious?
That's fucking.
Oh my god. Nigga, that was even like a whole 5. That was like at least 3. Lift it. Damn, brother. Shit killed me.
Oh shit.
Nigga, you is clumsy as fuck, my nigga.
How you get this shit over here?
It's that learning process, G.
Learning process, you just gotta pour it straight.
That's what. It's just that I don't want it to overflow and I keep pulling it up because I'm scared of that. It already overflowed once.
You're already pouring it all over your engine.
It's all over here. Yeah.
Is that really bad?
I mean, you want to catch on fire, my
It
nigga?
can't be good.
Yeah.
You want to catch on fire?
It just can't be good.
What should I do about it?
Clean it.
Just clean it, yeah.
Just get a rag, get the spots you can, let the rest dry, hope for the best.
Oh really?
Yeah. What?
It's like that?
What do you mean?
Until it dries up or goes away, yeah.
What do you want us to say?
No, you think it'll fucking it'll
I mean, you
catch
never
on fire.
know. You could always fucking something could always happen. You know.
That's true.
So your car takes 5W40?
But yeah, whatever this shit is, yeah.
The Euro version.
Euro car. This nigga thinks it's gonna add more power or something.
Yeah, it's that speed racing shit, bro. This is like Nas. This shit gives it jet fuel.
All right, this nigga was like, yeah, that's what you gotta get. Dude, it's a European car.
Like,
I was shitting myself once I paid $92 for this
92.
fucking oil.
Nah, you
I
crazy,
saw it
my
and
nigga.
I was like,
Nigga,
what
I
the
got some Napa shit right in there. Bro, $20, my nigga.
$20.
$20.
That's
and
what
the,
Jay said too.
and the car's still alive. Look at her.
I know, dude. I was like $20, dude. And it's
This is overpriced, my nigga. You could have just got 5W40.
that you so?
Huh?
You so? You just got 530-40.
Yeah,
You
bro.
think it'll work the same way?
It would work the same fucking way.
Dude, next time I'm listening.
It's
5W40.
I just thought this would make it faster and better.
It doesn't. Nigga, it's oil.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just fucking.
I mean, it'll fucking probably long last. It won't burn as fast. Maybe that, but still, $80 is crazy, my nigga.
90. Actually,
It's like 80, yeah. It's like 80.
yeah, I'll say 80.
90 is just insane. Look at that bitch. Damn, nigga. Got that shit on your spark plugs and shit. Hopefully that sensor didn't blow.
Oh fuck! Are you sure? Really?
I'm being.
What do you want him to say?
No, like you did.
That's real.
Hey, fuck! It's because it's a new one. Oh, that was the same, dude. Thank you so much for that, Slavin. Yeah, please, you just hold it. I fuck.
Jackson, overflowed over there, down there.
No, not yet.
Tell me when to stop.
Check
I'll
down
let you
there.
know when it's overflowing down there.
Yeah.
No, don't let me know when it's overflowing. No. Let me know before it is, when it's about to.
Hey,
Chill. Let go down a little bit. Let it run down. Let it run down.
fill it up.
Fill it up.
Oh!
Good thing Slavin's holding it, honestly.
I got it, bro.
Yeah.
Just dump.
Oh my god.
Go.
Well, hey, check how many gallons are left.
How many gallons does your car take, my nigga?
I'm going till it's
Hey,
fucking
right here,
full.
Right here. Look, quick,
I wasted a
what's
lot.
that? Look, dude. You can check right here how many gallons are left. Right
Oh,
here.
well, I thought. Oh, how much is left?
Look, put it down.
Right here. 2.5. 2.5.
2.5 gallons?
2.5.
So 2.5 out of 5. All right, bet.
Alright.
So go down to 1.
Dude, no, because I wasted a lot. I didn't put the cap on.
That's your fucking fault, my nigga.
No, that's what I'm saying. I should fill it up all the way.
Nigga, it won't do a difference.
I don't know if
You just have more oil.
Is that good? It'll last
Kind, not really. Maybe the fucking car. Maybe the car can't take it. Just fucking blows up because of it.
Well, I gotta pack it later.
Because it gets too compacted. So you don't wanna. You don't wanna.
You wanna test it first, yeah.
Yeah, you wanna run the waters with it.
Okay, it's like.
Ashley's calling.
Don't even pick up.
No, pick up.
Hey, how many gallons are left?
Pick up.
No, don't.
What?
Right here, it's right here.
He told me to.
Hey, put a little bit more in. Put a little bit more in.
No, pour that bitch. Hey, you got this. Yes, sir.
One more pour. One more pour.
How much is there left?
Like a gallon.
It's just a little bit. Fuck it.
Toss the whole bitch. Toss it all.
Should I really?
Toss it all, my nigga.
Maybe like one more.
Yeah, one more.
That's
That's
good.
good.
Alright, check it out. Let it sit. We gotta take off the wheels. We gotta take off the.
Pick the other cap. Where's the other cap? Jay, you have the other cap.
Why is this shit still recording?
Still recording. We got the oil cap off. They're the filter for it.
This is the oil. This is the oil filter cap.
Oil filter cap. Look at that. Looks delicious.
That bitch look.
Leaking.
Like
That
chocolatey.
bitch wet. That's wet. That bitch leaking. That bitch leaking. That bitch leaking.
Alright, bro. What are the oil? Added some NOS to this. Add a little more horsepower.
Fuck yeah.
That bitch spit the fuck.